Hello everyone, I am S.V. Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, K.S. Rangasamy College of Art and Science. Today I am here to present about this central dogma of molecular biology. Okay, what is central dogma of molecular biology? It is nothing but the flow of information within a cell generally flows a pathway with genes coded in DNA are transcribed into three types of RNA: rRNA, mRNA and tRNA, which then combine to read the genetic code and translate the information into proteins. These specific proteins in the form of specific enzymes control specific functions. This concept of one-way flow of genetic information from the DNA to a specific protein is known as central dogma of molecular biology. This term was coined by Francis Crick in the year 1958. There are three main steps involved in the one-way flow of information from DNA to specific protein, which are replication, transcription and translation. The replication of DNA by a template mechanism. Transcription involving transfer of genetic information from RNA to RNA, mRNA and tRNA. Then the translation is a conversion of a specific information of RNA into a specific protein. In this process, rRNA and tRNA plays an important role. Protein and enzyme coding is specified by a genetic code which contain the language of protein synthesis. Transcription and translation are the gene expression process. A gene contains the blueprint or code for a particular polypeptide in the form of specific sequence of its base pair. It transfers its code to mRNA. This process is called transcription process. Other gene transcribe rRNA and tRNAs. So the mRNA bind to the ribosome and with the help of suitable tRNAs select the required amino acids and link them into a proper sequence received from a gene to form a polypeptide. This process occurs on the ribosomes and it is called the translation process. Finally, another one process is reverse transcription. An expectation to this one-way flow of information was transported in 1970 by H. Taimin and D. Baltimore. Independently, they discovered reverse transcription in some virus. This discovery was important in understanding of cancer, and these two scientists were awarded Nobel Prize along with R. Dalbecco in 1975. During reverse transcription, RNA molecule is used as a template to make a simple standard copy of DNA. This is the diagrammatic representation of central dogma of molecular biology. Thank you.